Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight to kick off your week. Happy Monday. We're talking about CPJ here, Carbon Producers Jamaica Limited, trading in their shares, a connected party selling down 55,000 shares November 11th, 2021. Now, Massy Holdings Limited publishing the Abridged statement on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Now, they make it clear it's not an offer for sale, but when you look at Massy Holdings' balance sheet here, it is massive. Huge numbers here coming out of the company. Now, the release makes it clear that it's not an offer, as we mentioned, for a sale. The statement is as at September 30th, 2021, and it's in Trinidadian dollars overall. That's TTD dollars. So total assets here, 13.5 billion. Huge number to get on the JSE, and total equity of 6.8 billion TT dollars here. Now, Paramount Trading Jamaica Limited, big turnaround in their financial fortune here in the second quarter, 2021-2022 fiscal year, and profit looking good. Revenue ramping up here, 30% to 401 million for the second quarter. That ended November 30th, 2021. Net profit, 28.5 million. That's a big turnaround story there for Paramount Trading Jamaica. It was eventually going to happen. Took them a couple of years to get all their ducks in a row again, versus 4.5 million in the previous year. Now, equity increased nicely. Jamaican 843 million and change, and earnings per share for the quarter 1.9 cents per share, almost 2 cents, and EPS overall for year to date stands now at 3.1 cents. So the price to earnings ratio for Paramount, the PE ratio, clearly coming down with this latest quarter. The key is going to be, can they do this another quarter and keep it consistent? Now, Jamaican Teas trading their shares here. A director selling shares actually January 7th, January 11th, 24,000 shares and change January 7th, 226,000 shares on January 11th. We've been seeing a lot of deals or shares here in Jamaica Teas, whether it's on the buy side, the sell side. Company being very active. Overseas markets, Netflix, one of the companies that's been booming over the past 5 years. Stock price really moving up from say 170 to as high as 700 US. They're increasing their pricing again. Netflix does this every so often. So they're raising their prices across the band for their basic plans, premium plans, and so forth. And this is in the USA and Canada streaming market, effective Friday, January 14th, 2022, last week Friday. The bottom line here is that the monthly cost jumps somewhere between $1 to $2, depending on your plan. Basic plan goes to $9.99. Sounds like a happy meal, but that's what Netflix does. The medium plan goes to $15.49, and the premium as high as $19.99 US per month here. Now, that's according to Netflix's website. Now, there's a lot of analyst concern out there about Netflix, hence the stock price pullback from 700 US a share down to 525 because subscription growth or new customers was lagging. Now, once a company has done this and the earnings is coming up this week, actually, so it was done right before the earnings. Let's see how it works out, but the stock price has stabilized a bit since this announcement. The bottom line is the price increase giving stakeholders, market analysts, some confidence in a growth going forward. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.